Hi, I'm Monique. I'm the founder of Tune In Holistic Healing. And thank you for taking your time to be here with me for this moment. So, a lot of people ask me, why did I start Tune In Holistic Healing? And the answer is really simple. I know what it feels like to become disconnected from yourself. For many years, I focused on achieving. I focused on really studying hard. I focused on climbing the corporate ladder. I became a chief financial officer at the age of 34. And I thought all of this would take away this empty feeling inside, and it just didn't. So what I realized is that I had become disconnected from myself. So what I want to do with Tune In Holistic Healing is to give people the space to slow down and to really come back to yourself, to reconnect with yourself, because the answers we're all looking for is all within us, but we really need that time and space to really be quiet and to find that inner voice that is within all of us.